Sa my VIP box. Set number 2 begins. Good to have you with us. Good afternoon mga kapuso. It is the battle of San Beda and Letran Women's Volleyball Edition. Martin Javier with Shola Alvarez, former NCAA MVP. Taking care of business here. Later on we'll hear from Arlov De Jesus, our courtside reporter. Lea Tapang starts us off with an attack error here in set 2. Ito si Lea Tapang. Again, I say this every match kasi sinabi sa akin to ni Coach. Oh, she was the expected starter for the Letran Lady Knights to begin the season. It wasn't supposed to be Yen Martin, but Lea wasn't available. So si Martin yung nagsimula. Napaganda pa para kay Yen Martin kasi ang ganda ng pinakita niya.
Yes. And itong si Tapang, prove din naman niya na kaya niya ding makipagsabayan dito para sa Letran.
Royce De La Cruz to serve.
Angel Apacon committing the service error. Royce De La Cruz. And you saw the Lady Knights meditating after the set, trying to regain their focus. Overpass results to a point for San Beda.
With the help of the net, easy point para dito sa San Beda.
For the Lady Red Spikers.
That was an over-reception. Over-received. Push, Romolio pa. Papasok.
Yung mga swerte talaga.
Kay Letran, ginawa mo na yung best mo. Judel with the push. Sophie this time. Pumalik sa San Beda. Kept alive. Silva with the first pass. Estrelier choosing Tapang. They go back to Sophie. Popped up by Gia. Backs it for Judel. Oh, Jade with a dive. Another chance for Letran. Nat with a back set. Anderman sinabaro sa likod. Ay! Kagalawan.
Mababa yung set sa kanya. And hindi na siya nakalabas.
Yeah. Father Vic Calvo, Junior OP, Mancom representative of Letran, is also here. Mamaya, Mancom representative naman ng San Beda, ipapakita natin, si attorney Jonas Caberchan. 2-all tayo. Abraham! That's on the line. This is attorney Jonas Caberchan, Mancom rep of San Beda University. 3-2. So, ito yung mga orasyola na dapat ma-activate at gumana na. For San Beda at least. Ito si Abraham at si Navarro.
Yes, kailangan na ng katulong nitong si Habakon and Kagalawan para pagdating sa attacks.
Sir Peter Caico from Arellano University. Also watching. Dami nandito. Kasi San Beda versus Letran talaga.
Yes.
Bang! Denied, but it went out. Lea Tapang scores.
Na-notice ko, Martin, na yung mga middle attackers natin, medyo tahimik pa sila.
Tahimik pa nga.
No? Tahimik pa sila ngayon. Ang gumagana yung mga wingers talaga.
Bibihira. I think nakakaisa pa lang tayo. Kanina si Angela Desma pa lang. Sophie! Diniskartehan yung mga kamay ng blockers.
Kitang-kita niya na open yung cross-court dito sa Letran.
And this is a very noticeable rise in Kagalawan's confidence here in season 99. Oh, yun na. Angela Desma puts it down.
Yun na, narinig tayo.
Narinig tayo. Sabi ni Nat, bigyan ko po kayo ng isang quick attack. Ledesma scores.
On deck to serve, it's Angel Ledesma.
4-5. Angel Ledesma. Para sa akin, isa sa mga underrated na middle blockers natin sa liga. One of the most disciplined ones in the league.
And one of the most aggressive. Aggressive middle blockers.
Atake pa lang niya.
Yes.
Diba?
Gia Makilang.
And speaking of aggression, Gia Makilang scores that time, 5-all.
Ang daming variations nito ni Makilang. Pagdating sa attacks. ang dami nga kayang gawin sa ere.
Yan talaga yung advantage kapag kaganyan ka yung hang time mo, ganyan katagal sa ere.
Yes, kapag kasi matagal ka sa ere, mas makakapag-isip ka pa kung ano yung dapat mong gawin.
At mas malilito din yung blockers mo sa'yo.
Yes, and also yung experience na sa Beach Valley, laking tulong din yon. Kasi pag sa Beach Valley, napapractice doon na kailangan mo talagang tumingin sa kalaban mo.
Para titignan mo muna kung saan mo pwedeng ilagay.
Yes.
Ayan. Doon mo i-determine yung diskarte. Makilang, by the way, is our rookie MVP in NCAA Season 99. Beach Volleyball champion din. Para sa Letran Lady Knights, kasama si Laramay Silva. Na-tip-in. Made it look too easy. Angel Habacon.
Ang galing. Narinig ko lang sa likod. Pero ang galing nga. kasi kanina pa siya tinatry niya ulit yung sharp cross. Pero etong Letran kasi, nag-adjust na. Nakikita na yung mga ganong attack niya. So, ang galing na naging adjustment niya. Nandun naman sa likod ng mga blockers.
Again, the duel continues between Habacon and Makilang. Okay, score count natin. Habacon with 12, Makilang with 11 so far. What a battle between these two rookies, and it's again only the beginning of their NCAA careers.
The potential. Yung potential na meron sa kanilang dalawa.
Napakarami pang gantong matchup yung mapapanood natin in the future. Silva with a dig. Makilang again! Gia has been unstoppable in the second set.
Kanina niya pa pinupunta sa zone 6. And San Beda, they really need to adjust pagdating sa defense pattern nila. Especially kapag nasa harap si Makilang. Kasi siya yung mas mahirap basahin.
Nalilito pa rin sila kay Makilang. Masyado malakas. Yung serve ni Estrelier, that will send us to our first technical timeout. Pagbalik natin, we will hear an update from Arlov De Jesus. Nanonood kayo ng NCAA Season 99 on GTV.
Basketball junkie ako So, Jomo, Coach Jolie pa. Yung mga yan, yung mga old school. Kasi yan yung mga nakalakihan ko na dream. So medyo lumalabas na yung part ako of that older generation who believe that.
Hindi ko yung generation.
Hindi mo na generation, but kayo TikTok generation. Wow! Kasama na kita. Kasi yun yung conversation natin kanina. Ako, Jaworski tsaka Jolie pa yung but again, if going back to that, ako yun. Kasi
welcome back mga kapuso. You are still watching the NCAA Women's Volleyball Tournament for the Season 99. I am Arlo De Jesus working on the sidelines. When I spoke to Sophie Kagalawan, one of the rookies of the San Beda Lady Red Spikers, she admitted that they're having good communication now inside the court and they finally have the unity that they were lacking when the season started. On the side of the Letran Lady Knights, Yen Martin shared with me na pinaka-importante raw talaga yung pagiging focused, steady and ready every game kasi kung hindi raw lahat yan gumagana, baliwala raw lahat ng pag-aaral at ensayo nila. Kaya naman this game will be tough because both teams are eager to get a win. Offer now, Martin and Shola.
Maraming salamat, Arlov. Speaking of focus on the side of Letran, natawagan sila ng rotation error doon, so that gives San Beda the 2-point advantage here. But after that match against JRU, Arlov is right and Kagalawan, Sophie Kagalawan is right. Parang biglang naging buo itong Lady Red Spikers.
Yes, may mga ganong game talaga na kumbaga after yung game na yon, napatigil ako. Napatigil ako. Nakita ko yung nangyari.
Anong ganap?
Pero yon, may mga game talaga na kumbaga gigising sa isang team na okay, eto na tayo. Eto yung kaya nating ipakita.
Yeah. And, you know, as one of the youngest teams in the league, kinailangan yan ng San Beda, yung confidence push na yan. Na itong Letran, simula first game pa nila nahanap. Abraham with a cross-court hit. 11-7 lead for San Beda. This is a more comfortable lead now, Coach. Oh, may napa-timeout dito.
Fundamentally, nakikita nyo yung bola, dumarating. Ano bang binabantayan nyo? Ang daming ganun eh. Kanina ganun din, umu-over ang bola. Nakadigpas ka agad, wala pa yung bola. Ganun din, bumabalik yung bola sa atin, di tayo nakatingin sa bola. Di ba? So tapos na yun eh. Tapos na yun eh, di ba? Tapos na yun. Okay. Look! Look! Hey, look! Kinakailangan lang natin sound fundamentals. Naiintindihan? Kasi nagsisimula yun sa mga maliliit na bagay.
Coach O, sabi niya, sound fundamentals ang kailangan natin dito. Diyan nagsisimula yan sa mga
11 serving 7.
maliliit na bagay
Yes.
na ginagawa nyo sa volleyball court. Your habits on the court will result to bigger things for you.
Yes, and nakita kong nahihirapan na si Silva pagdating sa corners. Kasi both corners, yung binabantayan niya talaga.
Yeah. Siya lang, ano?
Yes. Siya lang yung kumukuha nung lahat ata nung nasa likod.
Oo. Ooh.
That's a net touch
It's
at the side
another
of the Lady
error on
Knights.
Letran.
Point goes to
Net
the Lady Red
touch.
Spikers.
And
Still at the serving deck, it's Kat Molina.
to your point earlier, as we take a look at the bench of the Lady Red Spikers, lagi kasing pinupuntahan ng San Beda yung mga antong yan.
Kaya.
Diba? Naglo-long ball sila.
Nung first set, ang dami nilang,
First set.
yes, ang dami nilang
Royce de la
puntos
Cruz.
dun sa mga corner.
Royce de la Cruz is able to stop the bleeding. Quick attack.
It's Gia Makila
May
to
halong
serve.
gigil yung attacking yan ni de la Cruz.
And ang galing ni Estranier kasi nakita niyang binabantayan na yung mga wingers niya.
Oh.
So yung mga middle, yun na yung mas pinapagana niya ngayon.
Piong over to Angel. Joust
Oh!
off the hands of the
Angel
blocker.
Habakon.
So Habakon winning the battle at the net here.
Grabe si
Angel
Habakon.
Habakon
Parang
to serve.
lahat ata ng bolang mapupunta sa kanya, gagawin niya ng paraan para makapuntos.
Such a gifted scorer.
Yes.
Parang veterano
And
na
yung
maglaro.
volleyball IQ niya,
Correct.
doon napapasok yung volleyball IQ na kahit anong mangyari, pupuntos at pupuntos siya.
What a dig. Kagalawan. Kagalawan scores!
Sophie Kagalawan.
Oh, she's fired up. Sophie, let's check this one out.
It's now 14.
Kagalawan had a single block in front of her.
Parang parehas lang sila ng thinking ni Habakon.
no?
Kasi kahit break ball, basta makapwesto sila ng maayos.
Correct.
Hanggat kaya nilang makakuha ng puntos, kukuha at kukuha talaga
sila.
sila.
Habakon sending it wide.
Service goes out.
Papunta sa kaliwa. So 9-14 is the tally. In set 2, can
Stepping up to
Letran
serve, it's Royce de la
duplicate
Cruz.
what they did in the opening set? Makabalik kaya sila dito? Abangan natin. Royce de la Cruz will start. Abraham finding a
Fly,
seam
Abraham.
in that Letran defense.
Ayun yung sinasabi mo kanina na kailangan ng tulong galing kay Abraham.
It's Aaron Navarro on deck to serve.
And yun, mas binibigyan na siya ng bola ngayon.
Yeah. To put some pressure off Angel
Yes.
Habakon. Abraham showing us the wares. Silva with the underhand setup for Tapang. Oh! Yeah, that's double contact.
That's a double contact at the side
On
of the Lady Red Spikers. Point goes
Klein
to the Lady
Abraham.
Knights.
So Letran will be given a point. Judel Nitura,
Yavitura to serve.
after a solid start, it's been a rocky stretch for her here in set 2. Abraham had to adjust. Nat over to Tapang. Popped up by Habakon. Here comes Kagalawan. Buhay pa. Nitura from behind. Kagalawan again. Nandun si Makilang. 1-2 play
Not
for
Estrella.
Estrelier.
Kailangan bantayan itong San Beda. Yun yung sabi ko sa'yo kanina na pag nasa harap si Estrelier, kailangan bantayan ng blockers and also the defense nitong San Beda kasi nga kayang umatake nitong setter spiker natin.
Ang ganda ng basa doon ni Estrelier, ano? Nakikita niyo yung opening sa gitna. Regalo para kay Lea Tapang.
Lea Tapang.
And we're seeing some lapses here on the side of the Lady Red Spikers. This was an overpass taken care of by Lea Tapang. Puntahan natin si
Hindi nyo nakikita, nakakalimutan nyo yung ano natin eh. Dito kayo bigay ng bigay. Punong-puno sila rito. Eto, bakanting-bakante tapos mahina pa to sa, ano, sa drop ball. Ito lang. Kanina pa yan.
Again, very specific. Observations mula dito kay Coach Edgar na po pwedeng i-exploit nitong Lady Red Spikers, and you know, these are the holes in the trans defense na nakikita niya from his point of view.
Yes, binabasa din ni Coach Edgar yung ginagalaw nitong Letran. Kaya mas madali para sa kanya makapagbigay ng instruction sa mga players.
Abraham. Yun na. Yep. Just like how he wanted it. Klein Abraham seeing the open spot right behind, and we are sent to our second technical timeout.
Coach Hammer versus Madza.
Much respect. Totally dominant player.
Facts. Diba? Thank you so much to everybody who tuned in. Patikim pa lang po ito. We are so excited for what's to come. Game On Podcast with me, Martin, and Coach Hammer. Thank you so much sa lahat ng mga nanood. Reminder though, NCAA Season 99 Volleyball Tournament with our ultimate analyst. My name is Anton Ross.
Catch us next week. Marami pa kami
Balik sa ating laban. G-Amazing! May G-Amazing na tayo.
Meron na tayong G-Amazing sa NCAA.
Number 25 from Bohol, Gia Makilang with 18 points. All off spikes against LPU, leading Letran in that match.
Imagine 18 points, all from the attacks. Wala pa siyang service ace nito. Lahat to attacks. So, di ba? Ano pa kaya kung meron pa siyang mga service aces?
At maaabutan na niya yan dito sa laban natin. Meron na siyang 12 or 13 points.
Konti na lang.
Right off the timeout. Quick attack mula dito kay Angela Desma. And that's how usually teams respond. The receiving teams, yung mga quick plays na ganyan, ano? Lalo kapag libero yung kumuha ng first pass. Pero si Lea Tapang, service error. Ang follow-up dito, 17-13 now.
On deck to serve, it's Sophie Kagalawan.
Jump serve. Good pop-up. Here's Gia with 14 points now in the match.
Ang ganda ng contact niya sa bola. Kaya ang ganda rin ng mga attacks niya eh.
Yeah.
It's Angela Desma to serve.
Si Makilang. Again, this is her set so far. Ganda ng pinapakita niya dito. Has been a scoring machine, but they're still down by 3.
Yes, and also sa defense.
Yeah.
Ang ganda rin ang pinapakita niya pagdating sa defense.
Eto, nasaraduhan na siya. Isa pa. Inangat niya ng konti. Habakon had to ad-lib. Ooh! Off speed. Good intention because that spot was open. Pero masyadong rumolyo sa gilid. Miss Cheska Rakrakin. Former NCAA Rookie of the Year and finalist and analyst.
And analyst.
Diba? Parte po nating broadcast team. Sino kaya ang sinusuportahan ni Bella? Siyempre San Beda. 15-17. Angel. Checked. Uy! Dito mawed. So, 3 straight points para sa Letran.
That's a point for the Lady
They cut
Knights.
into this lead. Isa na lang inahabol nila.
Ito na yung
now
maturity
16,
na meron sila
17.
na kahit gaano kalayo yung puntos nila sa kalaban. Kumbaga yung tiwala nila sa team, especially sa isa't isa.
Di sila nararapat.
Yes.
Habakon! Catching the line.
Angel Habakon.
Ramdam ko at kita natin yung braso doon ni Habakon.
Yung angle na kinukuha niya.
Oo.
Pagdating sa
Jay
cross-court,
De La Cruz to serve.
kumaharap kasi talaga siya eh. Kaya easy lang sa kanya makita yung butas pagdating dito sa cross.
As Angel is also a beach volleyball player. Uy, over-received rather. Back to Angel. Down the line this time.
Down the line.
Yun yung
Angel
variations na
Habakon.
sinasabi ko sa'yo kanina, Martin, na after cross, down naman. Kaya din nahihirapan yung blockers nitong Letran.
Habakon now
19
with
16.
15 points.
Wow.
Okay. Tutuloy-tuloy natin yung score update natin. Mula kay Makilang at Habakon. De La Cruz!
That's a point for the Lady Knights.
Ito yung nagiging advantage ng Letran Knights na napapagana na ni Estrella yung mga middle attackers niya. Kasi dito, pagdating sa San Beda, yung mga wingers pa rin yung pinupuntahan nito ni Molina. So, siguro mas magiging okay kung paganahin din niya yung mga middle attackers niya.
Meron siyang viable option dyan.
Yes.
Itong si Navarro. Habakon exploding for that point. 16 now.
Wow!
Wow.
The wrist reaction. Martin, grabe.
Kumpako yun.
Kat Molina to serve.
And you can tell it from her reaction.
Wow.
What she did was amazing. 20-17. Almost an ace. Oh yeah, it's gonna be an ace.
Ball out.
Ball out. 21-17.
Timeout.
Letran
San Juan de Letran.
will call for ceasefire.
21-17.
Kanina ko pa sinasabi sa inyo eh. Nagsisimula sa pagmamadali eh. Tingnan nyo, makinig kayo. Nagsisimula sa pagmamadali. Nasa atin ang bola. We can receive, we can pass. Take that positivity. Eh gusto nyo kagad umatake. First things first. Anong next na gagawin? After the serve, anong next na gagawin? Receive. Next set. Makinig kayo dito. Makinig. Pag nasa harap siya, hindi tayo pwede magmadali. Kailangan best performance.
Tara.
Kasi minamadali nila tayo.
Meron ng konting frustration sa boses doon ni Coach O. But again, he continues to motivate his players and calling them to focus on your performance first. Don't look forward to the result. Dito tayo sa present tayo. Alam nyo gagawin nyo.
And nakita rin ni Coach O na nahihirapan ng pigilan ng mga
21,
players na
17.
itong si Angel Habakon. Kasi 3 straight points ata galing sa kanya.
Oh, Molina with a sharp serve. Judel deflected. Good response
Judel
mula sa
Netura.
Letran. Judel Netura.
Good timeout din
Now a
para kay
serve.
Coach O na naka-recover
It's
yung
Gia
mga
Makina.
players niya.
18-21. Makilang will now serve. Good first ball. Angel catching the corner.
Angel Habakon.
Yan yung corner na kanina pa niya tina-target.
How about this?
Angel Habakon to serve.
You love to see it. Habakon right in front and in the middle.
And ang galing kasi nakita niya na dalawa yung sumabay na blocker sa kanya sa cross-court.
Yeah.
So,
Iniwas niya.
so nakita niyang open na open yung line.
There's Letran. Netura! Wow!
Judel Netura.
Judel!
Ayan, nakikita ko na yung mga stare down ni Netura.
There you go. Isa
Stepping
lang
up
ang
to serve.
bantay.
It's Royce De La Cruz.
Open yung gitna.
Yeah. So, Mitura with Letran's 19th point dito sa ating second set. It's been quite a battle so far between these two teams. Rival school sa NCAA. Kagalawan kept alive by Makilang. It's an over, but it's a chance ball. Combination. Abraham puts it down.
Wow, mas pinapagana ni Molina ngayon yung mga combination play nila. Kasi nasa harapan din itong si Abraham para din hindi mas bantayan si Kagalawan dun sa kabila.
That's right. Tapang. Returned. Silva with the underhand setup. Abraham again! Gets the check ball. San Beda is at set point.
Pansin mo, Martin, mas pinupuntahan na ni Molina itong si Abraham. Kanina pa siya nakakakuha ng puntos doon sa mga check ball, sa mga low. Yun yung sinasabi ko kanina na si Silva lang kasi may iwan. So walang ibang tumutulong sa kanya pagdating sa mga atake na mahaba.
Yeah. Mag-isa lang doon si Laramie. At kanina pa yan, ginagawa ng Lady Red Spikers. Binabalikan lang nila dito sa ating second set. Letran gets a breather off an Erin Navarro service error. Can Letran fight back here? Tabakon. Silva was right behind. Tapang. Blocked. Here's Sophie. Kagalawan puts it through.
Sophie Kagalawan.
And San Beda equalizes the match. Sophie Kagalawan with the final say here in set 2, powering that one through the blockers. Tabladayo, 1 set apiece. When we return, a pivotal set number 3.